Looking for a home that perfectly blends comfort, style, and efficiency? Welcome to this one-story home in the heart of Magnolia Springs. Magnolia Springs offers natural creeks, wooded surroundings, and easy access to local amenities. This Travis floor plan offers over 1,800 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, perfect for modern comfort and convenience. Step inside to an open concept layout where this spacious living area flows seamlessly to the dining and the kitchen. With its granite countertop, corner pantry, and a breakfast bar, this kitchen is stylish and functional. The primary bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a large shower and an expansive walk-in closet. Step outside to this peaceful backyard. It's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. This home is a blend of style, comfort, and energy efficiency. I'm Santa Mike. Let's make it yours.